Welcome back to our walking tour of Durban. In part 2, we leave the historic city center for the sun, sand, and surf of the world-famous Golden Mile. This revitalized promenade is the longest in sub-Saharan Africa, stretching for 8 kilometers along some of the best beaches in the world. Lining the shore are these iconic Art Deco buildings from the 1930s, lending a timeless, elegant charm to the Durban skyline. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. A true Durban icon is the Zulu rickshaw. These pullers, in their massive feathered headdresses, have been a part of the city's beach culture since the late 19th century. The craftsmanship in their regalia is a stunning display of Zulu heritage, blending history with the energy of the modern beachfront. Heading south, we reach Ushaka Marine World, Africa's largest marine theme park and a cornerstone of Durban's tourism. The aquarium is cleverly built around a recreated 1940s shipwreck, housing the 5th largest volume of water for any aquarium in the world. From majestic sharks to colorful reef fish, it's an immersive journey beneath the waves of the Indian Ocean. It's also home to a world-class dolphin stadium, where these intelligent creatures captivate visitors of all ages. Turning north, the skyline is dominated by the massive arch of the Moses Mabhida Stadium, a monument to South Africa's 2010 World Cup hosting. For the best views in the city, the Skycar takes you to the top of the 106-meter arch, offering a 360-degree panorama of the city and the sea. For thrill seekers, the stadium offers the Big Rush Big Swing, the world's tallest swing of its kind. Dotted along the coast are the city's famous piers. The shark fin-shaped Moyo Pier is a favorite spot for coffee and sunset views. Durban is South Africa's surfing capital. Warm water year-round makes these breaks a paradise for professionals and beginners alike. The beaches are the city's playground, a place where people from all walks of life come to enjoy the eternal Durban summer. No beach visit is complete without Durban's signature dish, the bunny chow, a hollowed-out loaf of white bread filled with spicy curry. Legend has it that it was invented for Indian laborers as a portable meal that didn't require plates. The bread acts as a natural bowl. As the sun begins to set over the Indian Ocean, the Golden Mile truly lives up to its name, glowing with a warmth that is uniquely Durban. We've explored the heart and the coast. In part 3, we'll dive deeper into the history that shaped this city. See you there. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.